Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look and test the Joseph Slim Compact Soap Pump. So let's first take a look around the outside of the package. So in this card packaging is a Joseph Slim Compact Soap Pump, and this one is in light blue. They're also made in a light grey and white. So just taking a look at the details that's on the card packaging, and on the back of the card packaging are some product specifications and features in various languages. And now let's go ahead and remove the card packaging by tearing it open and peeling it off from the soap pump. So let's peel off the sticky adhesive right off the Joseph's Slim Compact Soap Pump, and taking a look at the details that's on the inside of the card packaging. So right there, some other Joseph products from its bathroom range. Okay, so that's the underside or inside of the packaging. We can set that now to the side, so just setting it on the right hand side of the table and moving the Slim Compact Soap Pump to the middle of the frame, so you have a full and complete look at the soap pump. And as I mentioned, this is the light blue one. It's also produced in a light grey and white. So right there, a full look at the soap pump or soap dispenser, and resting it in my palm right there. So it measures approximately 14 centimeters tall by 9 centimeters deep and about 6 centimeters wide. And it does have a 350 milliliter capacity. So now let's take a closer in look at the details of this soap pump or soap dispenser. So as you can see, it is made out of plastic, and there are some glossy elements to it, as well as a slightly less glossy colored portions. And on the underside we can see the Joseph branding, as well as, of course, a slip resistant silicone ring around the surrounds of the base or bottom, so giving you a look right there. And of course at the front there is that Joseph branding. So once again, give you some sense of the overall construction and design of this soap pump. And of course at the back we can see a fill level window which allows us to see the remaining level or capacity that's in the soap pump. And taking a top down look as well, so you can see it does have a slightly less glossy or satin finish on the colored parts, which are blue or light blue, but does look more like a pale duck egg blue. And of course on the underside there is a non-drip nozzle on the underside of the easy push pump head or easy press pump head. So right there, giving you a look at the actuation of the head pressing down, you can see it does stay on the surface rather steadily with that very grippy slip resistant ring at the bottom. Now, of course, we are pressing with no contents on the inside for now. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see if we can pop it open. By pulling the head out from the body and giving you a look as it is right here. The Joseph Slim Compact Soap Pump and its details right there. So overall with a height of 14.1 centimeters. So taking a look at the head or pump head, separated from its body, so you have a clearer look at the details and overall design up close, and you can see the grooves that provide that very even and straight down movement. And once again, giving you a sense of the overall details with the tube and assembly. So you can see right there, giving you a look at that actuation. Okay, so just setting the easy push pump head to the side, and now taking a better look at the body or container for your soap or liquid soap or creams or whatnot. So right there, giving you a look, and you can see that fill level window right there with my fingers just running along the back or outside of it. So as you can see, a rather sturdy design made out of plastic, and this one is BPA free as well, so keeping things healthy and safe. And now let's replace the head just quickly. See how easy it is just to pop the head back in, so you can see it sits flush. And once again pushing down, and let's pop the head off again. So it requires a little bit of effort, but just holding down and lifting the head off. Okay, now let's go ahead and fill it with some hand wash. So over here I have a bottle of Baylis and Harding hand wash. So there's the jojoba, vanilla and almond oil hand wash, and this bottle has a 500 milliliter capacity. So giving you a look just for reference right there. The Joseph Slim Compact Soap Pump and the Baylis and Harding jojoba, vanilla and almond oil hand wash in its 500 milliliter bottle. So 350 milliliter capacity on the left with the Joseph soap pump, and 500 ml or half a litre in this bottle. So we're giving you a look right there, side by side, and straight on as well. Okay, once again, a little bit of repetitiveness there, but nonetheless giving you a look with as much detail as possible. And let's unscrew the head, and of course being careful here to minimize wastage and mess. let's go ahead and pour the liquid hand wash into the Joseph bottle or soap pump. As you can see, slightly goopy there because of the slightly cold climate, water temperature. And let's press a little bit harder on it to get it to flow out. You can see right there, very simple and tidy operation here, even with a camcorder blocking my vision. So right there, we don't want to overfill it, and you can see how much of the remainder there is in the bottle. So just replacing the screw pump head of the Baylis and Harding hand wash and giving you a look top down into the Joseph Slim Compact soap pump, and of course trying to keep things level right there to give you some sense of the fill level. So it's nearly full, obviously, trying to keep it upright so that you can have a better look and idea of how much we've poured in there. So nearly to the top of that fill window. So now let's put the easy push pump head in place. So right there you can see all good to go. Let's give it a try now and get some soap out. So obviously you need to give it a few pushes to draw the hand wash into the pump head. So right there you can see the liquid hand wash on my fingers, and let's try again. So right there, very simple operation, but requires a little bit of effort pressing the head down. Let's try with my other hand, so you have another look. So just moving the pump in a better position so you have a different perspective right there, and we can see that there's been no drips so far. Simple and tidy operation. And let's try again. And right there, some hand wash dispensed in my fingers. And if we want to do a two-handed operation, right there, very simple. That is the more efficient way of getting the soap onto one's hand. So just going to wipe off that little bit of squirt right there and try again. So this time using my thumb, let's position it in a different way. And right there, very straightforward and simple to use with both hands. So that's the Joseph Slim Compact Soap Pump. Thanks for watching and happy pumping!